I think people have been told that watercolor is very difficult, it's very finicky, um, and I love to take the mystery out of it. There's simple techniques that can be learned, can be practiced, and it just gives you a little bit of boost, a little bit of confidence, to better able to express so you're better able to express yourself. It's you start a painting and it's a little bit messy and it looks a little bit out of control, and you think, how is this ever gonna turn a corner and become something? And it's only by going through that process that you realize that, yeah, you can do it. The way you sort of lead yourself through this process, you end up with a decent result. And
Yeah.
I've seen so many students who they get frustrated at a certain point of their painting and they want to walk away, and I say, no, 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 this is exactly where it should be right now. Just keep going. And sure enough, it's like this roller coaster of a sort of a rhythm that every painting has. Watercolor is one of those mediums. It's really easy to start. You can start with very basic materials. It's pretty inexpensive. The Just to get your foot in the door is not difficult. You do gain confidence, and this gives you a little bit of a boost to try new things. And I see it in students like week after week.
Yeah.
The work just gets better, more expressive, and it's just there's kind of a freedom that starts to come into to everything.